Hello.
Hello.
This
So-
is me and Zayan. We are at Masjid Baribi.
Yeah, my channel is ZYN Plays. If you don't know, then you don't know.
Yes,
With
and,
a Roblox.
and
With a Roblox thumbnail YouTube.
yeah, and I'm
profile.
driving in my dad's truck.
Driving. Are you sir? Are you
I
driving?
mean, my dad is driving in the truck. You see,
Yeah, from the mosque to our home.
Masjid.
Yeah, yeah, it's very near, right?
Yes.
Because this is Masjid.
Now,
I won't tell you.
and if you watch Zion Place, then you are
No,
very-
ZYN Plays.
No, if you watch Zion Place, then you are very watch Zion Place a long time.
Yeah, but I changed my YouTube channel to ZYN Plays.
Yes. Now we go.
Yeah.
Don't see the license plate or else no.
But you can see because I see some blocks that they don't cover the license plates, right?
Oh wow! But we're in the truck. You can see the side view.
Yeah, it's just touching grass thingies.
Touch some grass.
Touch some grass, guys.
Some grass. This car right here is very close. You don't want to see the license plates. Later.
Okay, I'm back.
And finally, I am recording.
Yeah.
I make a new video in a long time.
Oh wow.
It's been so long since I made a video because
Yeah, no, like only when I go to your home, you just create video.
yeah.
Not like yourself only.
But sometimes I do myself, like
When?
rarely,
Like-
barely,
Rarely.
yeah, barely. But now we're
But
going. I'm going to my home. Home. Do not see the license plate, so just see the side view.
oh wow.
Oh no, you saw the license plate.
Not fine.
And- There's.
Wow. We got some free drinks
Oh yeah, true.
and free food, as you can see,
From the
from,
mosque.
from the mosque.
So come to Brunei and go to that mosque. It's very good.
And also come to Masjid Jamal Asri Hassan al Bolkiah and Masjid Haji Omar Ali Safuddin.
And now,
They're the beautiful mosques in Brunei.
I arrived at my destination. So now,
Not really. Oh, yeah.
I arrived. So goodbye.
Hey, no.
Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, ZYN Plays and Hanif Azwan.
So
No jinx.
goodbye.
Goodbye.